CO-16 is not an actual denial. It is a request for proof that the service was performed. The simple meaning of CO-16 is this: the payer is telling you that you did not submit enough information to process the claim. This is not a denial. This is only a request to provide missing, unclear, or incomplete information, such as missing modifier, missing or invalid diagnosis code, required notes are missing to support the procedure code, prior authorization not attached, referral not mentioned, NPI mismatch between rendering and billing provider, timed service reported without units or time specification, operative note missing for a surgical CPT, drug code missing unit or dosage. Medical records are required to justify medical necessity. The payer never explains this clearly. They hide it behind CO-16. As an AR caller, your job is to decode it. If you ignore this, you may lose revenue once the timely filing limit expires. And you cannot bill the patient, because this is your documentation error. Now I'll show you how to resolve CO-16 in real life effectively. The moment you see CO-16, never correct it blindly. Investigate it like a detective, and ask yourself, what proof is missing? Which data does the payer reject? Each CO-16 indicates a gap that needs to be identified quickly. Always remember, CO-16 always comes with remark codes like N130, M50, M76, N264. Always read the remark codes first, because these remarks code tells you exactly what document or correction the payer wants. CO-16, without remark codes, is like a patient who is saying, "I have pain," but not telling you where. As an expert AR caller, I suggest you open 3 screens at the same time. The first screen shows the original claim. The second screen shows the EHR and PM demographics. The third screen shows the insurance eligibility record. And then find the mismatch information and fix only what is wrong, and never touch anything else. When you open the claim in your system, compare 4 things line by line. 1. Procedure code. 2. Diagnosis. 3. Modifier. 4. And provider details. Because mostly CO-16 denial issues exist right here. If the issue is a missing modifier, fix the modifier and rebill. Do not appeal, only rebill, because appeals waste your time when data is missing. If the diagnosis code is wrong or missing, correct it and rebill. But must make sure the diagnosis supports medical necessity, because no medical necessity means no payment, no matter how perfect your appeal sounds. If the payer needs provider notes, do not guess. Just pull the exact note the payer expects. It may be the office note for evaluation and management, or it may be the operative report for surgery, or it may be the progress note for therapy. Attach it and resubmit the claim. If prior authorization or referral is missing, confirm it first. Check whether it truly exists. If authorization exists, attach the proof and rebill. If you do not have prior authorization, process this claim as a no prior authorization denial. But if it never existed, stop immediately. That claim is not payable. For NPI mismatch, always verify the rendering NPI against the billing NPI. Because one wrong NPI can hold thousands of dollars. Make it correct and rebill. Time services are a silent killer. If your billed units do not match the documented time, the payer stops the claim. So document the start time, end time, and total minutes in the note. And make sure the minutes support the units billed. Then rebill. If the NDC is absent, incorrect, or incomplete, the payer holds the claim. Add the 11-digit NDC number, the correct unit of measure qualifier. It may be F2, ml, gr, or UN, and the exact given dosage. And ensure the NDC aligns with the billed HCPCS code, and then rebill it. Now let me tell you some essential key points to become an AR caller expert. CO-16 is resolved before the appeal stage. Before the appeal stage, you should resolve CO-16, because if you appeal a CO-16 without fixing the error, the payer will reject your claim again. But always track the timely filing limit, because CO-16 eats time silently if you delay. The most important thing you should remember: CO-16 is the provider's responsibility. You cannot bill the patient for this. If you miss it, the loss will be yours. This is why top AR teams treat CO-16 like a fire alarm, immediate action, zero delay, zero ego. If this video helped you understand CO-16 clearly, and if it made your AR work easier, then please subscribe to this channel right now. So, you never miss practical AR knowledge. That actually helps you get paid. Like and share this video with your AR friends. Someone else may be struggling with the same denial today. And tell me in the comments. What do you want to learn next as an AR caller? I create videos based on your real problems, not textbook theory. You can also join our WhatsApp group where we solve day-to-day AR queries together, just like on the working floor. If the ND